Fire in the tiny barbecue hole. Let's cook some shrimp. Stay tuned. Welcome once again to my backyard barbecue. Today we're cooking up some bang bang shrimp on the world's tiniest barbecue grill. It's my new little tiny hibachi. It's over there getting, the coals are getting hot in it. We got to make a bang bang sauce for the shrimp. I've got a whole bunch of beautiful jumbo shrimp skewered up. We're going to hit them with some of this Lane's SPG. Just a little salt, pepper, and garlic on those shrimp. And then we're going to get them on that little tiny barbecue and get them cooking. I'll have to do this in shifts because it's so small. I can only do like 2 skewers at a time. Anyway, we're making a bang bang sauce. Here's a traditional bang bang sauce that you get over at Bonefish Grill if you've ever been over there. And we've got about ½ a cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt, that's going in my pan here, my mixing bowl. Greek yogurt starts this out. And I should have brought a paper towel. I got one here somewhere. Here it is. Let me reach over and grab this thing if I can. Let me paper towel over here so I can wipe my spoon off, because I need to oh crap, I need to keep the spoon clean because I don't want to contaminate the mayonnaise with the yogurt. Anyway, let me wipe off my spoon. That didn't work out. There we go. Alright, let's wipe off the spoon so I can get some mayonnaise. The next ingredient is mayonnaise. About an equal amount of mayonnaise. That was about ½ a cup of yogurt, so we need about ½ a cup of mayonnaise. That's about ½ a cup of mayonnaise right there in the bowl. The next thing you want to put in there is some sweet chili sauce. This is my favorite sweet chili sauce. This is May Ploy sweet chili sauce. Need about a good, I'm gonna say, I'll put a recipe in the description, but I put about 2 tablespoons of that stuff in there. Then we need a squirt of lime juice, a little bit of lime juice for some acidity in there. Just a squirt of lime juice. And we need some, I gotta clean my spoon again because I have to get some sambal olek out of this jar. Now the sambal is a hot chili sauce, the opposite of sweet chili sauce. We don't need much of it. This stuff's really hot. You put as much as you want. Make it your own, you know. I'm putting about a tablespoon of that in there. That'll give it some kick. Make it a little spicy. And we're also going to throw some hot sauce in there. I got some Slap Your Mama hot sauce. I'm just going to put a little, just a touch of Slap Your Mama hot sauce in there. And we've got some Sriracha, but not the, you notice that the sambal has the rooster on it. This is the Hai Phong sambal, but this is not Hai Phong Sriracha, this is Roland Sriracha. My daughter gets this from a client of hers who represents Roland products, and these Roland products are really good, amazing. Put some Sriracha in there to taste, you know, as much as you want. I'm putting a good squirt of Sriracha in there. Got a couple of chaw heads in the audience. Angie, she doesn't come around as much as she used to, but Big Dan, he likes his Sriracha. So we're gonna put some Sriracha in there. Mix this up. Get this. This is the bang bang sauce, and it's looking pretty good right about now. Getting our bang bang sauce mixed up. We're gonna baste the shrimp with this as they cook on the tiny little barbecue grill, which is coming up the temperature as we speak. The story of the tiny little barbecue grill is that I wanted to get a hibachi grill, and I went on Amazon and I was looking at all these different hibachis that they have. This has got to get a little bit smoother than that. That Greek yogurt wasn't cooperating. Anyway, I got to smoothen that out. That's about what it looks like right there, the bang bang sauce. So anyway, I went on Amazon looking for a hibachi, and I looked at a bunch of them, and I saw this one, and I wasn't really paying attention to the actual dimensions of the thing. It looks much bigger in the you know, on Amazon. But anyway, yeah, when I got it, I thought, oh, this thing's cute. It's cute as hell, and it looks like a barbecue for ants, I know that. But let's get the shrimp on there and get them cooking, so stay tuned. Okay, the tiny hibachi is up to temp. We're going to get some shrimp on there, and it doesn't take long to cook shrimp. You can only get 2 skewers on there at a time. We're going to get a little bit of smoke and fire on those shrimp, then we'll flip them over. And I got to zoom out, I guess, so you can see what's going on. There you go. So I got 2 skewers at a time on the tiny hibachi, getting them cooked up. Get those shrimp, just get a little smoke and fire on there. Oh yeah, they're getting cooked. Flip them over. You can tell when shrimp are cooked, they turn pink. So yeah, get them cooked a little bit, and then we'll start basting them with the Bang Bang sauce. Let's get the Bang Bang sauce a little closer. Bang Bang sauce has mayonnaise in it, and that mayonnaise is going to cook on there with the eggs, and the mayonnaise are going to cook on there and turn into something special. Yes, sir. Basting with Bang Bang sauce. And we're going to flip them over on the tiny little hibachi. Oh yeah. How's that look? Not too shabby, I hope. Yeah, this thing looked a lot bigger in the ads, let me tell you. No, there's no excuse. I should have looked at the dimensions. That would have told me everything I needed to know. That it was way too small for my needs, but it is what it is. We're going to cook it on there. We're going to get those Bang Bang shrimp cooked up on there. They look good already. Okay, we're going to get them cooked. I got a lot of them to cook, and I got to do it in shifts. And then I think I'm going to make myself a shrimp taco with some of these. So yeah, let's flip them over. Oh yeah, they're starting to get cooked up now, you see. That's what they're supposed to look like right there. That Bang Bang sauce. Good stuff. We can reserve a little bit of that for dipping later too, if we want. Might not need it. I got other sauces to put on my taco. Anyway, yeah. As my shrimp are cooking on my tiny little barbecue. It's cute, isn't it? It's cute. It's very impractical. Very silly. I know. And yeah, it is what it is. I'm going to use it. I bought it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to flip those over again. Get these shrimp cooked up. They're starting to look like something now, aren't they? I don't think we need any more Bang Bang sauce on there right now. Yeah. So let's get them cooked up. And then it'll be time to take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Okay, the shrimp are done, cooked on the world's smallest barbecue grill. Here's today's beer. Now, I learned a lot about this beer. I thought this beer was an Oriental beer. This beer is brewed in Canada, if you can believe that. Sapporo Premium Beer. Don't know too much about Sapporo. I believe I had it before. I'm guessing it's a lager. I really don't know. Not too much information on the bottle, except that it's made in Canada. My very frosty mug is here. Let's pour it out. I thought we had this before, Rob, didn't we? I believe so. Sapporo. Sapporo. How bad could it be? Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? Well, pretty good. Pretty good beer. Let's get my shrimp over here and get the camera turned around, take a taste out. I was going to make a taco, but I changed my mind. Decided to just eat some shrimp. So stay tuned. So you know, it's like Confucius once said, a day where you don't learn anything is a day wasted. I learned something today. I learned to always check the dimensions in your, what do you call it? They're Amazon orders. So I got stuff all over my fingers now. Good stuff though. Bang bang shrimp. Very delicious. Mmm. Got a bit of a bang to them too. Yeah, my tiny little barbecue grill was not what I was expecting. It's way too small to be practical for what I like to do. But it worked. I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you like watching the video. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard, which is right there. Right there, the iCard. Visit my friend. Just Cook the Damn Food is the name of his channel. His name is escaping me at the moment. They got a great channel. Check them out. Him, them, I don't know if it's two guys or one guy. I think it's two guys. Anyway, subscribe to me. Come back next week. Will we be doing more cooks in that tiny little grill? I don't know. I had planned to do more, but it's very slow cooking and very tedious having to, you know, cook such a small amount of food at one time. Anyway, I think I'm going to stick to the Weber kettle for now. And yeah, that's my video. The shrimp turned out great. The bang bang sauce is on point. And that's all I had to say, babies. I'll tell you what, we'll see you next week, okay? Bye!